Okay, so on this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make money with no money. Okay, so this has been a question. I've talked to some people. The conversation I had last night with this young gentleman, it really inspired this video. Okay, and I just wanted to let everybody know that there are ways out here that you can make money without no money. Okay, because we live in 2021. Okay, and we have the internet, so you just have to learn a few skills. But if you are consistent and you're willing to learn, you can make some money. It's no excuses, okay? So on this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a few things. The first thing that you could do, okay? If you got a cleaning company, I'm on this video, I'm spreading it all out. I'm sharing everything, okay? This is what I did yesterday. I literally went inside people's inbox, right? Here's one. And I contacted a few realtors, right? So this is what I said. I went inside the inbox and I said, hello, we are a local cleaning company here in Savannah, Georgia. Just looking for more work for our contractors. We are interested in becoming vendors for your company. Can you please tell me how we can become vendors and help you turn your cleanings? That's it. That's all I said. I got my information down there, got my website. My page is clean. So I ain't worried about him going to check on my page, not like that. Everything is legit. That's it. So this is what he wrote me back. Sure. Call us tomorrow after 9. And then he gave me the number. Okay. This is a realtor. Okay. So when I called the number, I spoke with the man and he said, yes, we are looking for cleaners. He said, we are always looking for cleaners, honey. He said, what I want you to do is send your W-9 information, your general liability, and we're in the process now of getting bids from him, getting units coming in. Okay. So it was just that simple. This was yesterday. So out of all the people that I contacted, he was one that contacted me back. And there was another one, this one right here, contacted me back. He said, hello. He said, you can call our office. And he gave me the office number and he said, or you can come by and you can stop by and bring some brochures. Okay. So pretty cool. I asked them, who do I speak to? I end up calling anyway. And they told me to stop by with some brochures because this company said that they are also looking for cleaners. So what I'm trying to tell you guys to do, if you broke and you don't got no money, sometimes I just be on here just messing around. Like, you know what I mean? Yesterday I was just messing around on Facebook. I don't really be having time to do Facebook like that, but I'm just on Facebook, copy paste and sending it to a bunch of realtors. And this is my true response. Okay, I at least had 2 leads out of everybody that I contact. I probably sent it out to about 20 people. You can't keep sending it to people because Facebook will block you. Okay, so you can't send it to like hundreds of people. But if you can get up in the morning and do this like 10 times, send it to 10 people a day, 15, hit about 10 people up a day. You can't tell me you're not going to get something. The thing is, you guys aren't trying and you're not, you ain't doing nothing. You keep complaining about not having no leads, but you're not doing anything to get the leads. Okay. This is one thing that you can do. No money. It didn't take no money. Contact some realtors. I went right here to search and I pushed property management. Okay. And property management companies came up and I just started targeting them one by one. Copy, paste, copy, paste. That's all I did. Okay. And we end up getting a contract out of that. So that's one thing that you could do. Another thing that you can do is you can become an affiliate. For those of you guys that don't know, I happen to be an affiliate for a few things. I'm an affiliate for My Clean Buddy, the fogger that you guys see me, disinfecting stuff and doing the little videos or whatever. I happen to be an affiliate for them. And this is something that you can do too. If I like the product, I'm going to reach out to the people and I'm going to say, hey, I'm going to be an affiliate. I'm interested in being an affiliate. I like this product. Only if I like the product, okay? And I'm going to share with you here. Once you become an affiliate, they'll give you an affiliate link. And if you scroll down, it shows you how many people visited my link and how many purchases were actually made. And this is something that you can do when you don't have any money. Like, it didn't take me money to make $1,300, $1,370. I didn't take no money to make that. You understand what I'm saying? All it took was me signing up to become an affiliate. That's it. Okay. I made this money in my sleep, you know. It dripped. You know, it's not like it came all at one time, but you know, it's still cash flow. Okay. So another thing that you guys can do is you can create a course. Now, this course here happens to be like my very first course that I ever created. And I started selling the course for $50, and then I went up to 100. And the only thing I did was just put knowledge, all the knowledge that I knew about the foreclosure cleaning, and I just put it all inside of a course. This is my very first course. I was very, very nervous about it. But it made $3,599 in sales, you know. And once you create the course, like, that's it. You create it, you put it out there, people buy it. It's just easy. It did not take well, actually, you do have to pay for, you have to pay Teachable, the monthly fee. But after that monthly fee, I mean, hell, look what it brought me. You know, I forgot what the monthly fee is, $39 or I forget what it was. But you have to pay a monthly fee. After paying the monthly fee, look what it brought me. You know what I mean? So this is something else you guys could do. You can create a course. Now, I know some of y'all might say, man, what? I ain't no teacher. I used to feel the same way. You know, I used to hate school. I could never see myself being a teacher or teaching nobody nothing. I'm not even gonna lie. I hated school with a passion. Okay. I can't believe I'm teaching right now. This is mind-boggling. But you can teach people anything. You can teach them what are you good at? You got to be good at something that somebody wants to know. That's why it's really important to build a personal brand, you know, because people really end up buying into you, you know, before they even buy your product. Okay, so it's really, really important to have a clean personal brand. You know what I mean? But anyway, that's something else you guys could do. Now, whether you're going to do it or not, but that's just something else you can do. The next thing you can do is you can learn how to build websites. This is a website that I'm working on right now for one of my mentees. And I created this website off of Wix.com. Wix.com is completely free, you guys. It's free to create these websites. You do have to pay for the domain name, and you do have to pay for the monthly plan. But between the domain name and the monthly plan together, you'll be paying like around $50 for both together. You know, so once you master how to actually make a website, you can create websites for other people. That's what we do now. I make websites. That's what I do. And that $50 plan fee is tied inside of what I charge people. So I'm not physically paying that. They are paying that fee, and they're also paying us to make the website. Okay. And it did not cost any money. Stop thinking that you need all this money. There are so many different ways. Like, I really can go on and on and on and on and on and on and on. The next thing I'm going to give you guys is, boom, girl, I started a YouTube channel. So I started my first YouTube channel last year in January. Now, I actually started in December of 2019, but I didn't really get the videos going until January 1st, right? And I'm glad I did, because my very first YouTube check happened to be $1,313. See, what happened was this is what I made for the year. Now, this didn't come like monthly. This is like what I made for the year, but it had been sitting in my account and I didn't know it was sitting in my account. I was just like making videos, just making videos. I'm happy. And I was worried more about subscribers, girl. I was like, I'm trying to get my subscribers up. I wasn't even thinking about the money until December came and I was like, you're not supposed to be making some money off of this. Like, when the money gonna come in? So I started doing some research, like, how do I get paid type research, right? And then I stumbled upon this account, and it said, and the money was in red, and it said on hold, and I was like, who money on hold? What, huh? So what happened was my money was on hold because of my address. I never did claim the address, or something I had to do with my address, verify the address or whatever. Anyway, when I verified the address, they sent the money, and the money came January the 5th. So January the 5th of this year is when I got paid my first check, okay? And this is what it was. And my second check ended up being $287. So I'm just bringing you guys into my world. I ain't got no reason to lie. I ain't making $1 million, but I feel like it's free money because there are platforms out here that y'all be on every day and y'all ain't getting nothing out of it, okay? Like every day, faithfully strolling and not making no money. So I'm thankful for this platform. I feel like you guys need to be grateful for the platform as well, okay? And take advantage of it, okay? But that's really what I wanted to share with you guys, man. You got Facebook. I was just sitting back thinking of all the stuff that I did. I did Facebook. I didn't spend no money. I became an affiliate, didn't spend no money. I started a course, didn't have to spend a lot of money. I do websites for people, don't spend a lot of money. And also I have a YouTube channel that was totally free. Okay, so just bringing you guys in my world. This is my journey, and hope this video was able to help somebody out, man. Just do something. Stop looking at all these videos and pondering and wondering why shit not moving for you, because you keep watching all these videos and you're not taking no kind of action at all. You're going to cut this video off. You're going to look at another one and another one, another one, another one. When you going to get started, huh? When you going to do something? Girl, I'm gone. That's all the juice I got for you today, baby.